Andela is a company that connects talented software developers from Africa with global technology companies. By working with Andela, you can make money online by offering your programming skills and expertise to various projects. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started with Andela in 2024. Research Andela. Start by learning more about Andela, their mission, and how they operate. Visit their website, andela.com, to understand their model and the kind of developers they are looking for. Assess your skills. Evaluate your current programming skills and determine which areas you excel in. Familiarize yourself with popular programming languages, frameworks, and tools. Andela focuses on web development, mobile development, and cloud computing. Strengthen your skills. If you find any gaps in your knowledge, invest time in learning and improving your skills. You can use online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or free resources like YouTube tutorials and open-source projects to enhance your abilities. Create a strong online presence. Update your LinkedIn profile, GitHub account, or any other professional platform to showcase your skills, projects, and accomplishments. This will help you attract potential employers and recruiters. Apply for Andela's talent community. Join Andela's talent community by filling out an application on their website. This will allow you to be considered for various opportunities and projects. Make sure to provide accurate and up-to-date information about your skills and experience. Prepare for the selection process. Andela has a rigorous selection process that includes online assessments, technical interviews, and a live project. Familiarize yourself with the process and practices solving coding problems to increase your chances of success. Network with professionals. Connect with other developers, attend tech events, and join online communities related to your field of expertise. Networking can help you learn about new opportunities and gain valuable insights from experienced professionals. Stay updated with industry trends. Keep yourself updated with the latest technologies, tools, and trends in the software development industry. This will help you stay relevant and competitive in the job market. Be patient and persistent. The selection process at Andela can be competitive, and it may take time to secure a position. Stay committed to your goals and keep refining your skills and knowledge. Leverage your Andela experience. Once you become an Andela developer, make the most of the opportunities provided to you. Showcase your work, collaborate with other developers, and continuously improve your skills. This will help you build a strong reputation and open doors to more projects and job opportunities in the future. By following these steps, you can make money online with Andela in 2024 and establish a successful career in the software development industry.